Howdy, y'all! Today we're going to be talking about farm animals and how some of the animals have different names when they're babies. So, let's get started. Are you ready? Maybe you know a few of these. Okay, so the first one. We have a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Can you say sheep? Good. Lamb. Good job. Okay, the next animal is a chicken. Now, do you know what a male chicken is called? A boy chicken? They go cock-a-doodle-doo or kikidi-kee. Good, a rooster. Now, do you know what a female is called? A girl is called a hen. Good job. And hens lay eggs. Good job. And when those eggs hatch, what are they called? Chicks. Really good. Aw, very cute. Okay, so our next animal is a goat. What is that? Goat. Good. Do you know what a baby goat is called? It's a kid, like you. The next one is a cow. And did you know that the boy cow is called a bull? And a baby cow is called a calf. Nice. The next one is a horse. Good reading, horse. And a baby is a fowl. Can you say that? Fowl. Good. Aw, they're cute, huh? All these baby animals are so cute. The next animal's a donkey. What sound do donkeys make? Ee-aw. Good job. And a baby donkey is also called a fowl. Huh. They're pretty similar animals. The next one we're going to talk about is a dog. What is that? A dog. Good job. I'm sure you know this one. A baby dog is called a pup or a puppy. Good job. The next one is a duck. Good. Can you say duck? Good. And a baby duck? A duckling. Can you say duckling? Good job. If you're not already doing it, I want you to repeat all of these words after me, okay? Okay, let's keep learning about these animals and their babies. The next one we have is, can you read this word? Cat. A cat, good. And a baby cat is called a kitten. Good job. Aww. And the next one is a pig. Good. Do you know what a baby pig is called? Piglet. Oh, like in Winnie the Pooh. The little pig is called Piglet. Oh, makes sense. The next animal we're going to talk about is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Good job, a little baby bunny. And the last one we're going to talk about is very interesting. A llama. Can you say llama? It's called a cria. And that word comes from Spanish. How interesting. We use the word in English. So, now we learned all of these cool farm animals and all their little baby names. Also, a pack of little babies a lot of times is called a litter. Can you say that? Litter. Good. So you say a litter of puppies or a litter of kittens. Wow, great job. And those are a lot of new words. I hope you remember them. If not, you could watch this video again. Do you have a favorite farm animal? Or maybe you have a new favorite farm animal because you like the name of the babies. What is it? My favorite are the goats. You know why? Because we call the goats kids. And you guys are my favorite too. Bye, see you next time.